most amazing artist?
Good afternoon, Miss Lo.
Today you're making art like Britto. Britto is such an amazing artist. He makes art for Disney World. He was so popular when I was a baby in the 80s, 1982. He was getting really popular with his art. So we're gonna have fun with his art today. You're gonna do it in pencil first. I'm gonna do it in marker so that you can see it really bright. After you do it with pencil, you can copy it with the marker. You can trace it with the marker. The first thing we're gonna do is at the bottom. How many hills can you count? 1, 2, 3. Let's make the 3 hills at the bottom.
On here there's
1, 2, 3. In the hills, you can make stripes or circles. If you're ahead of your friends and you want to start making the circles or stripes, you could put circles in your hill to make it look interesting. Half circles. Yeah. Sure. You could do stripes or you could do spirals. I'm going to play the video for you again. So if I go too fast, it's okay because you can watch the video.
I don't have a paper.
Right there. There's one for you.
This is the one right next to you.
I know. The next thing we're going to do is the sunshine. So on the middle hill, I'm going to put half of a circle. Half of a circle for the sun. Like that. The sun has rays. Rays are lines that go all the way up. So I'm going to make the first one go all the way to the corner. So from the sun, all the way to the corner. And from the sun, all the way to the corner this way. I'm going to make another one come right up like that. I'm going to make another one this way. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5 would look good, so I'm going to do one more this way. Next thing I'm going to do is I love this heart. You can put your heart anywhere you want. It's kind of like the love of the sun and the flowers and the springtime, the warm air.
It's bigger than that
Love
one.
for people. Okay, go right here. And I'm going to play the video again.
You're going too fast because I have
Okay, it's okay. We'll go slow down.
Look,
And we're going to make a big heart.
heart. Can you help me?
Big heart. You can make one heart,
I can't.
or you can make 2 hearts. You get to choose.
Erase.
You got this. You got it. Good job. That was a great hill.
Why can't I erase it?
Oh, you don't have to erase it. It looks so good.
Like I wanted to. Or I do it by myself.
Do it on the back, too.
But
Oh, it's okay. You take that one. You can take that paper and do it. Mona,
Lisa.
this one's Britto's art right here. If you see that, that's his example. He did a lot of little hearts too. So you could do some little hearts if you want. How do you make a heart? Maybe you don't know how. Look how the top looks like an M and the bottom looks like a V. If I put the M and the V together, I can make a heart.
It can't. It's like a triangle and an upside down 3.
Yeah, it is like a 3. So you could see it like that. Like if I turn the page like this, I can see the 3 and the bottom of a triangle. I can see it like that too. So you don't have to put lots of hearts. You could just put 1 heart. You could put 2. You could put just little hearts if you want. That's gonna get to be your choice. Britto put flowers in one part of his heart. So you see how this ray goes like that? And there's flowers just in this part. If you want to do that, what you do is you make a circle and then you do the little U's all the way around. U, backwards U, sideways U, weird U. And you can do however many of those you want. Maybe you just want 1, maybe you want 2, maybe you want 3.
Or you can put it all around.
Yeah, you get to choose however many you want. Maybe you want a lot, maybe you don't want a lot. This side you could leave just one color or you could put stripes in it on that side. You could put stripes in any part that you want. Maybe you want to put stripes or maybe you don't want stripes. Maybe you want one part to have little circles. Like if I want this, just this one to have circles around it, I'm just gonna put little circles all around this ray right here.
I'm gonna do every choice.
Yeah. Maybe this one I want to have some stripes, so I'm gonna do stripes going this way. You don't have to do this part, or you could do it differently if you wanted to. You maybe want to put some stripes in this part. It's your choice how you want to do it. When you're ready to trace it with black, let's pretend I was doing, can I borrow your pencil for a second? Let's pretend I had a heart right here. And I was tracing, and I said, oh, I don't want that heart. I can just erase it. Instead of tracing it, if I don't like it, I'll erase it instead of trace it. But maybe I have, like, stripes, and I'm like, oh, I want to add stripes. Maybe you want to, every other one you want to add some stripes. You could add things with your Sharpie, but just be thoughtful about it. If you want it, you can add it. If you don't want it, you can erase it. So when you're ready, raise your hand, and I will bring you your marker, or somebody else can bring your marker. Who would like to pass them out? Can you come here? And you can come pass them out. After everything gets traced, we can move on to the colors and colorings.
I'm really good at tracing.
You are really good at tracing. So we're using these paint pens today to color this.
That's like a new one.
They're really cool. You can use the fatter ones for bigger spaces and the thinner ones for small spaces. So a small space is like the little circles. These are small spaces. So I might use these ones for small spaces. And then for the bigger spaces, I could use what? That bigger one. What color are the sun rays usually? Yellow or what else? What else? Orange or pink or red. Warm colors are sun rays. So this is green. I thought this was a yellow, but this is actually more of a green. So what would have been better, green or yellow? Green looks too cool, I think, for the sun rays. So this one, I wish it had been yellow, because yellow is, you can color it however you want. I recommend, and you don't have to do it this way, you can decide how you want to do it. But look at how the mountains are a green or cool colors, like greens or blues or purples might be really good for the earth. And warm colors would be really good for the sun. Warm colors are yellow, pink, orange, and reds. Red, orange, yellow. Those are very warm. And pink and red are the same. It's just pink is lighter red. So these are really great colors for warm sky, warm sun rays. I did put some blue in my heart. That's because that's what Britto did. He put some blue in his heart. Where's that picture? Anybody see the picture with Britto?
Oh, the picture? Oh, yeah.
It fell down. So see his, he did a little bit of blue. He has the light blue with the dark blue polka dots. Maybe he did that because that kind of reminds me of rain. And you can have rain in the sky, right, with some blue water. And then he left some areas that were white. So like this part right here, I left this white with just some black designs. You can pick some spots to leave white. White is a really bright color that reminds me of the warmth of the sun. So you can choose whatever color choices you want, but maybe think more warm colors for up here and cool colors for down here. All right, you guys have fun.